Nowadays, we chase the quick wins, the instant rewards, that short rush of satisfaction, whether it's the next notification, the sugary treat, or the endless flow of videos and posts. For a moment, it feels good, but then the feeling just disappears, leaving you with what? An empty feeling, a sense of wanting more. You have been pursuing that dopamine hit, but it left you feeling more empty than before. This is the constant research for quick pleasure, and it is shaping our lives in ways we don't even realize. But what is happening to our brains during these moments? It is all about dopamine. This powerful chemical floods our brains when we experience something pleasurable, creating that reward feeling. But our brains are designed to adapt. The more we chase these quick dopamine boosts, the less sensitive we become to them. So we need more and more to get the same feeling, leading to potential burnout and dissatisfaction. Now, dopamine itself is not the enemy. It's a vital part of our brain's reward system, driving us to seek things that are good for us, like learning, connection, and growth. When used correctly, dopamine is a powerful motivator, powering our passions and helping us achieve our goals. The key is to shift our focus from those quick, unsustainable spikes to more satisfying, long-term sources of dopamine. So, let me introduce you to the dopamine menu. It is about taking back control of your brain's reward system. Instead of being at the mercy of impulsive cravings, we're going to create a personalized plan for healthy dopamine releases. Think of it as a menu for your brain, with a variety of options for health, satisfaction, and growth. We will explore starters for quick boosts, mains for long-lasting fulfillment, sides for social well-being, and desserts for mindful pleasures. This is about building a life you truly enjoy, one intentional choice at a time. The beauty of the dopamine menu is that it's completely personal. First, you need to identify and write down your personal dopamine triggers, the activities that naturally bring you joy, satisfaction, and a sense of well-being, to ensure your dopamine menu is uniquely yours. But let's get practical. What kind of activities fit in each category? The key is to think about how you want to feel after engaging in each activity. Starters should provide a quick boost of energy or focus, helping you to transition between tasks or start your day. Think about a 5-minute walk in the nature, a quick dance to your favorite song, a short session of journaling, or a breathing exercise. Mains should leave you feel accomplished and engaged, providing you a sense of purpose and satisfaction. This could be working on a personal art project, completing a challenging recipe, or completing a workout routine. Sides should leave you feeling connected and supported, reinforcing your sense of belonging and community. So spend quality time with a family member, call a friend, join a local book club, or participate in a group hobby. And desserts should leave you feeling relaxed, allowing you to unwind and recharge. So try a warm bath, a session of yoga, reading a chapter of a good book, or listening to relaxing music, or simply enjoying the quiet nature. Now, how do we actually use this dopamine menu in our daily lives? Here, a practical approach. First, create a physical or digital version of your menu. You can use a notebook, a whiteboard, or even a simple spreadsheet. List your chosen activities under each category. Next, schedule time for these activities throughout your day and week, treating them like important appointments. For example, you might block out 15 minutes in the morning for a starter, like stretching, or scheduling a 30-minute main, like reading during your lunch break. To make it even more engaging, you can consider adding some gamification elements. So consider adding a point system, for example, assigning 1 point for starters or 5 points for a 30 minutes main. These should be based on effort and time that takes for an activity. And maybe these accumulated points translate into real-life rewards. For instance, reaching a certain amount of points might unlock a special treat, like your favorite coffee or a new plant for your workspace. Or you could set long-term goals, saving points for a larger reward, like a weekend getaway or a new piece of equipment for a hobby, or a donation to a cause you really care about. These rewards don't have to be on your dopamine menu itself. They can be anything that really motivates you and reinforces your commitment to building healthy habits. The dopamine menu is more than just a list of activities. It's a philosophy of conscious living. It reminds us that we have the power to actually decide what really empowers us, shifting from chasing quick pleasure to create a life full of purpose and meaning. In a world of endless distractions, it is an invitation to rediscover the quiet satisfaction of living intentionally, aligned with our deepest values. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and see you next time.